Oh my gosh. This eyelash is coming up in the corner and it is bothering the mess out of me. I hate when that happens. I'm gonna glue that sucker down again. I just dropped my beauty blender on the ground. I have another one. Alright, let's not drop this one. Oh my god, I forgot water. I'm gonna fill, I have my Yeti here. I'm gonna fill this up because I don't feel like getting up and going and getting water. So let's see how this works. It's not gonna work, I'm scared. Whew, okay. I'm such a hot mess. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you how to do my foundation routine. I thought it was perfect because my last video I just did my skincare routine. So basically if you have that and have this, I guarantee you can get a flawless face of makeup. If you haven't already watched that video, I'm gonna link it down below in the description box. Don't forget to go watch it. It's definitely my routine every time I do my makeup, regardless if it might just be a different foundation or whatever. It's same routine always. Don't forget, less is more. With makeup, you can always add more if you need more. So if you want to see how I did it, keep on watching. Alright guys, so clearly I have my eyes done, but I have absolutely nothing on my face, just moisturizer. Always start with moisturizer before your foundation. So I think we're just going to get right in. First we're going to start with primer. I love to use the POREfessional in my T-zone area. And I literally press it into my pores and it kind of gives you that blur effect. I do that in my T-zone area, which is all of this area. And then on the outside, I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs Invisible Undercover Perfecting Coconut Face Primer. And it's kind of like a lotiony base. I'm gonna use that all around. And then to kind of make sure that sits in your face, I take the MAC Fix Plus, and I just do a light spray all over the face. Alright, so I have a lot of foundations, but this is my go-to foundation. Especially doing a video like this, I'd rather just do one that I know is perfect and works for my face. So this is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. I'm sure you've seen me use it a million times. I am in the color 320 Natural Tan. The best way to get a non-cakey, heavy makeup face, less is more. Just start out with less, even something that you think is barely going to cover your face, because you can always add a little bit more to the places that you need. But less is definitely more. The brush I'm using today is the Morphe Y6. It is my favorite foundation brush. We're just going to put a little on the hand, and we're going to go around the face. And I am never swiping. I kind of do little circular motions, but I mainly press and get it all in my face. See, I barely used any foundation, and I'm literally just putting this much, just a little bit on my forehead. You don't need a lot. And you can still get a full coverage look without going crazy and having a pound of makeup on your face. So then we're going to conceal. I have never tried this before, but I'm going to try it now. This is the Kylie Jenner concealer. I don't know if it's called something special. It is in the color Maple. With concealer, especially when you're lifting like under your eyes, you want to get a little bit lighter than your skin tone because it's going to brighten up those places. Let's see how this works. I'm going to spray my Beauty Blender a little bit more. I'm literally squeezing it onto a paper bag right here because I don't really have nowhere to do that. We're just gonna blend this out. But we're gonna bake that. And basically what that does is it just, you take some translucent powder. I am using the Kat Von D. And I take my damp Beauty Blender and I dip it in. And you just press it in your face in that area. While that bakes, I think we're gonna go ahead and contour. So today I'm going to use, that's not it, the KK Beauty. Can you see it? This is her contour cream sticks, and I'm going to use the darker shade. And basically we're just gonna draw a line where to contour. And I'm using her little brush that comes with the contour stuff. And you basically just want to buff it out in that area, and you do not want to pull down or you're gonna look like you have a 5 o'clock shadow. You want to kind of like buff it up and like in your hairline. I'm going to take a little bit of more powder and line up that contour. And then I'm going to take the Butter Bronzer. This is a Physicians formula. It is drugstore and it is the best bronzer ever. I'm going to take the Morphe E2 brush. It's a big fat brush like this. And just put it in. And we just go over the places we contoured. This is a Morphe M438. And we're just gonna wipe off the excess powder. I'm going to use the Femme Rosa, Karrueche, and Colourpop Her Face palette. This palette is awesome. I love this blush color, and literally you barely have to like put a tiny bit because it is so pigmented. And I'm going to pop a little bit of color right over the contour. And now for my favorite part, highlighting. I'm going to use the Jeffree Star Skin Frost in Peach Godess. Here's the color. And we are going to use a Morphe M510 brush. Alright, I'm just going to pop on a little Fenty Beauty. This is the Gloss Bomb. I cannot read it. Just going to pop a little bit on the lips. So now that we're done doing our face, we are going to spray it with the Urban Decay All Nighter. This stuff will have your makeup looking great all night long. I don't care what you're doing. It works. And you literally just spray it all over your face. You can put however much you want. You let it dry. It's going to just sit and kind of melt all those powders and liquids into your face to make a flawless finish. And like I said, it's going to last all night. So that's it. here is my foundation face routine. I don't really know what to call it, but I hope that it'll help some of you guys. If you have any questions, scroll down here on this video and comment below. Let me know anything you want to know or anything that you want to see in the future. I hope that my skincare routine before and this routine can help you get flawless face makeup. Let me know how you guys like it. Give this video a thumbs up and please don't forget to share and subscribe. Love you guys so much. Mwah.